everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and today I'm super excited because I'm going to show you this Bebot body makeup look. This look is perfect if you want something glam, confident and totally Instagram worthy. It's a soft body vibe with soft eyeliner, glowing skin and nude gloss lip. So if you love body makeup, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Skin prep. First, I started by applying a good moisturizer to hydrate my skin. Then I use a pore blurring primer to smooth out my base and make my makeup last longer. Base makeup. After that, I apply a full coverage foundation for a flawless and even finish. Next, I use concealer to brighten my under eye and highlight center of my face. Eyebrows. For my brows, I fill them in using a brown eyebrow pencil. Keep them defined but natural because brows really frame the entire face. I'll provide the links to all the makeup products in the description box. Body eye makeup. Now for the eyes, first I used a nude brown shade in the crease to create a soft base. Then I apply a deeper brown shade on the outer corner to add a dimension and a smoky body effect. After that, I added a light brown shimmer on the inner corner to make the eyes looks brighter and more lifted. To complete the look, I create a sharp cat eyeliner, which is the key step for the body makeup style. Bronzer and blush. Next, I applied bronzer to warm up my face and give it a sculpted look. Then I added blush on my cheeks for that fresh and cute body vibe. Setting the makeup to prevent creasing, I set my under eye with powder. This helps the makeup stay smooth and long lasting. Nude glossy lips. For the lips, I used a brown lip liner to shape and define them. Then I blended it nicely for a soft ovate effect. After that, I applied lip gloss to give that perfect body shine. Final touch mascara. Finally, I applied mascara on both my upper and lower lashes to complete the look. And this is my final body makeup look. It's glam, bold, perfect for parties, reels, or any special occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.